So hello everyone on the crypto channel number one, where we're covering up all of the most greatest crypto news, where we're talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and all of the best and newest things in the one place. So today we're gonna talking about Bioeconomy launches cross-chain transaction infrastructure. Cardano faces $1.60 resistance after ADA price hits 2 months highs. Also, Status plans to incentivize node operators for decentralized message protocol. So today it will be really interesting. Watch it to the end because I hope you really enjoy it. So the new infrastructure dubbed Hypen allows users to transfer stablecoins between Ethereum and Polygon in a more efficient manner. Multi-chain infrastructure network Bioeconomy has formally launched its Hypen mainnet, setting the stage for instant low-cost token transfers across Ethereum-compatible blockchains. With the launch of Hypen, users can make near instantaneous USD coin transfers between Ethereum virtual machine compatible chains rather than waiting 30 minutes or hours, as is currently the case. Bioeconomy can facilitate speedy transfers by maintaining and rebalancing token liquidity on both sides for the chain, the company said Tuesday. Bioeconomy's Chief Technology Officer, Sachin Tomar, explained the exciting challenges facing cross-chain transfers. On average, to transfer funds from Layer 2 to Layer 1 to Layer 2 blockchains, it can take anywhere from 40 min to 7 days for users to receive their funds. More specifically, it currently takes around 40-50 min to get ERC20 tokens from the Polygon network to Ethereum via their native bridge. In this view, these challenges lead to weakened network effects and result in a more difficult experience for the user. Hypen solves that problem, he said, by enabling developers to offer value transfers between networks, various Layer 2 solutions, and sidechains. Future iterations of the Hypen network will be completely decentralized, Bioeconomy said in Twitter post. So Bioeconomy recently concluded a $9 million private funding round that was led by DACM and Mechanism Capital. To date, the company has raised $2.5 million from private investors and has processed over $570 million in transaction volume. With the cryptocurrency market showing signs of life again, demand for cross-chain swaps is likely to rise, especially as decentralized finance, or DeFi, continues to grow in popularity. Platforms like Polkadot and Stellar continue to place a great deal of emphasis on cross-chain integration and interoperability, with more developers coming on board to promote that vision. So let me know in the comment section below what you know, what you thinking about it. And let's move on. So Cardano faces $1.60 resistance after other price hits 2 months highs. So basically, what does it mean? Can we see Cardano, for example, for $10? So let's discuss it. Cardano joins the cryptocurrencies battling pivotal resistance zones after breaching outburst lower down in broad market comeback. So Cardano's ADA token came close to its highest in 2 months on August 10 as daily gains neared 6%. So in fact, this price action can be viewed as bullish as long as price remains above 1.25. So one of the top performance in the top 50 cryptocurrencies by market cap, Cardano was yet to overcome multi-month resistance at around $1.60 at the time of writing. Nevertheless, performance was impressive, catching the attention of veteran trader Peter Brandt, who keenly eyed recent strength. So new development in Cardano ADA-USD, the advance through the July 4 high goes a long way to negate the potential bearishness of the HNS top in this crypto, he told Twitter followers in an update on the day. So Brent referred to a recent head and shoulders construction on ADA USD, which the run on the highs of August 10 had helped overcome. Fellow trader and Cointelegraph contributor Michael Van de Pope was similarly upbeat on the future price odds. Good bounce of Cardano, but didn't break the downtrend yet. Looks good, he summarized. Against Bitcoin, ADA put in a strong return after looking for a test of support. Van de Pope sent Monday. So here we have basically the ADA BTC one-day candle chart Binance on the trading view. So currently price near 3,440. So altcoins enjoy Bitcoin beating gains. On weekly time frames, many altcoins outperformed Bitcoin's 18.5% gains, boosted by Ether in the aftermath of its successful London hard fork deployment. So Ethereum USD stood at $3,100 at the time of writing. So I would say that it's almost already reached this local high, and we have price of 3,220 already. So let's move on. Status plans to incentivize node operators for decentralized messaging protocol. According to the project, one of the pushes for its development was Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin recently encouraging developers to consider non-financial applications for DeFi. So Ethereum-based Project Status has started an incentivization program for node operators around its decentralized peer-to-peer messaging protocol Waku. In an announcement today, so Status said it would be rolling out the first phase of a program to encourage people to set up and run nodes used by Waku, a private messenger based on the Whisper protocol. The project said it's planned to offer up to $100 was in its native token SNT to 100 people participating in a 3-month program. The Status team forked Whisper to create Waku in 2019. The protocol uses community-owned and operated nodes to route messages through the network rather than the traditional client-server model, with the project working on a peer-to-peer messaging service aimed to competing with major firms like WhatsApp, Telegram, and Signal. Using peer-to-peer network for personal communication is the only reliable way to escape censorship, said former CoinTech reporter Andrei Shevchenko, who will be running one of the nodes. Status has clearly put a lot of effort into this to make it technically viable, so I'm curious to see where it goes. So, according to the project, one of the pushes for the development of the protocol was Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, recently encouraging developers to go further in innovating beyond the typical boundaries of decentralized finance or DeFi. Buterin said that non-financial applications for Ethereum, including decentralized social media, could serve this purpose. So The status rewards program provides a small incentive for participants to provide they have set up and maintained one of the nodes. The project ran a pilot in South Korea where it plans to have 25 nodes up and running, but also aims for large presence in Latin America. So let me know in the comment section below what you're thinking, because we were talking about a lot of stuff. So let's discuss in it what you're thinking. What about Cardano? What about Bitconomy? What you're thinking about this one? The status plans to incentivize node operators, because it's really interesting. I will be more than happy to hear you. So also please hit the like subscribe button, and as always watch the next video, because you can find there even more crypto news. So click on the screens right now and see you in the next video. Bye.